three questions that we always get. Will it work with my mattress topper? Will it work with my mattress pad? And can I use a blanket with the better? And the answer to that is yes, yes, yes. You can use all three. The mattress topper, as you can see, this bed came with a mattress topper. So this is all connected. And in this case, you would take the better and you would put it on 2 inches below the top of the mattress topper. Now, if you have a mattress topper that you put on top of your mattress, so it's totally separate than the mattress, you want to do two things. You want to see if it's pretty firm. If it is pretty firm, then you can put the better 2 inches below that. If it's not firm and real soft, you want to make sure you put it 2 inches below the mattress, your mattress part, which would be right here. So that's the two things with the mattress topper. And then so you're probably thinking, well, how's the mattress topper going to stay on? When you put your sheets on, that's what's going to hold the mattress topper in. So it definitely works with that. The second question we get is the mattress pad. I have a mattress pad. Now, you could put the mattress pad on if it's something that you change a lot and you wash a lot, your mattress pad. You may not want to tuck it in. So what you do is you take it and you tuck it into the better like you do your sheets, just like that. That way you can easily take it on and off to wash it. If it's a mattress pad that you don't change a lot, what you want to do is you want to put it on before you put the better on. You want to put it on, tuck it in like you normally would put it on, and then put the better on. And then from then on out, you just put your sheets on normally like you normally would. The last question we always get is, will it work with my blanket? I want to tuck my blanket in. And absolutely it works. What you do is you tuck it in just like you would tuck a sheet in. And this is one of those heated blankets that people use. And they heat it up and they electric and whatever it is. And you take it and you simply pull the better down, and then you pull the better in up, and you tuck it in. So you tuck it in just like you normally would a sheet, and the same thing. You run your hand along the sides, just like this, and that's it. And you see how it stays tight? So you can definitely tuck your sheets in. It holds all that. It holds your mattress pad, your sheets, and your blanket. Now, remember, the sides are loose, so you can easily get in and out of your bed. The sides are going to be loose, the bottoms are going to be tight. So I just want to make sure you understand that. The sides are loose, so it's not going to hold this blanket in from the sides. It will hold it in from the ends.